What's going on, guys? Luis with Extreme Detail. Today's episode is gonna be amazing. We're gonna be working in a special car. It's not just a special. It's very popular here in the United States just because of history of these vehicles and what happened with the person who was just driving it. Anyway, guys, this is an amazing project I'm gonna get to work on. We're going to basically start restoring it at this point. It's not really a restoration, but it's gonna be a pretty good badass project, and I want you to stay tuned for it. The car is special, the person that I'm doing is special, and the way and the reason why they're doing it is super special too. So let's get to work on this one and enjoy. All right, guys, so this is the project. This is what we're gonna be working on. It's a 1994 Bronco. We're gonna do completely wrapped into this one. We're gonna do a little bit of makeup, make sure that things look nice and clean, and we got it prepped already. I can't wait for you guys to see the results as soon as we're finished. Stay tuned because it's gonna be a cool project. Thank you. So that's the process how we're getting now the film put together. We have also this part here installed, the hood, which looks great. More panels to go, but it's now taking form, as you can see. All right, guys, so good morning. This is day number 2 here at Extreme Detail. You can see how Abdul is going and moving forward with this one. Here we have the hood, we have the fender, the door, and the rear quarter panel already wrapped into the camouflage wrap we got on. We're gonna start working into the tailgate. It's gonna be some black going on that to give you some accent. So far, the color are just as we expected. The color are just perfect. That's a camouflage, that is a matte finish. Guys, it's just unique and beautiful. Now from that point, we're gonna continue putting parts on, and we won't have the car completely here, but we're gonna have the most of us done into the shop. So guys, keep watching and stay tuned. There's more to come. Right, guys, so we're close. What's up, dude? You okay? You need some help? I'm good. Oh, it's good. You see, I want to video this because he want to keep the whole prey for himself. He don't want to let anybody to touch it, right? Truth? Yeah. He never lies. Something about him, he never lies. Always say the truth. You happy? I got that man here supervising his car. He's anxious, and Abdul is speeding the process. He love it. Man, this thing looks amazing. What you think, Abdul?
I think it looks great, 100%.
Awesome. Good deal, guys. So, hey, we're moving forward. We just got 2 pieces and we'll be done with this. Then it's going to go over to body shop or put the parts together. And from there, it's going to be a good car to give away to, you know, the son of the owner. Let's go. Now we are in the last details. We're doing the top. That's the last detail of the truck. We got that top far. This black area here is gonna be black. Then we're gonna have also another piece on the bottom. We got pretty much everything looking great and nice at this moment. Almost finishing. Now we got another piece here. We just got from the owner. We're gonna wrap this piece, and this thing is ready to be sanded. But so far, look at that. All right, guys, so this is it. This is the final result. Look at the owner right there wiping the wheels off for his son. He's super excited and bummed. The project is basically his, but he let his son to borrow it from high school. He loves this vehicle, so now we had it done. Look at that beautiful Bronco. I mean, you tell me. I think this is the second masterpiece we created here at Extreme Detail Garage with the help of Abdul. This one here got a camo dome that we just the only one here is just for this truck. Now we got the wheels put together. We got the front bumper painted black. He did it. And also we got the headlights. I think the headlight looks unbelievable great. You made your conclusion. You tell me what you think. They also have the top, which is the top of the Bronco. They got a Rhino liner. They did it here in house. Beans painting body in Meade County. And look at the tail lights. We wrapped the back part here so it looks even. We also take care of the rear bumper, and we also take care of the mufflers that we paint in black so that way everything will match. Even the little details like the Bronco on the new design, it just looks amazing. You guys will do good, bro. If you just guys make your conclusion and you guys will tell me what to think. We're gonna reveal the moment. He's coming, and we're gonna see his reaction and exactly see what he thinks about it, because I think it looked just great. You can remove that. That's already, it's printed in there.
No.
What's wrong with that?
Yeah. You like? Yeah.
Is that a crank?
Let's go. Thank you.
That's the one you gotta tell thank you, not me. You got it?
I'm trying to get the.
What you think?
I love it.
You love it?
Yeah.
Gonna be the only one in 4 inches like that.
Oh yeah. 100%. Half the tank.
He's complaining about half a tank. Hey, so take it to that, man. Oh my God, look at that. Look at this beauty, guys. Look at that. You guys make your own conclusion about it. Good? All right, guys, the project is finished. The goal is accomplished. Bronco is ready to go. That's the man who make it happen. Family. Good stuff. Till the next one.